Welcome this video. Long shared house design. A modern and sophistication live solved shared house also now as should are going popular among homeowner look after affordable, protective and various style living space. The long shared house design effective idea for those who want space, open conclusion, living space. The long shared house is idea for those who want open collective living room with maximized construction, comfort and long cost than traditional home, whether you are built a home in the countryside, a substitute or a multi-purpose structure that includes of workshop, a long shared house, often inspiring for benefit. What is a shared house? Shared house is a requested structure that functional a single shop roof also collect shared roof unlike or dropping roof shared house have open for one side to the other. This simple design provides functional and aesthetic in long construction.